Hello everyone. Today's topic is wine quality analysis. Basically, we have found one database from machine learning repository which is wine quality red.csv file, and we are going to find in this database the quality, how to predict the quality for the wine. All the necessary fields are given like fixed acidity, volatile acidity, citric acid, residual sugar, chlorides, free sulfur dioxide, etc. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to import pandas library. Then we are going to read CSV file over here, which is already I have uploaded wine equality red CSV file. I have already uploaded over here. I am using this file by reading read underscore CSV method. Here we have added one parameter which is separated parameter scp equals to colon. In .csv file, all the parameters or the fields are separated by colon, so we have added one parameter colon over here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to get all the datas and we are going to upload we are going to get all the csv file data into our data frame using pd.readcsv, and those data will be stored into df data frames. Now we have used df.head over here, which defines as we are going to get only top 5 rows for this, right? And we got this output over here. In next, we are going to rename our columns. Why? As you can see, our column has a space between their naming, so it's not worth to work with, so we are going to separate them with underscore over here. Here we have used for loop for the all the columns. We can Why we have used this for loop over here? Because it will reduce our code. So this is the syntax. We are going First of all, we are going to get all the columns from our data frame by calling df.columns. Then as per the for loop, for label in df columns, which will call single column name, which is fixed acidity. Then we are going to perform operation on that particular label. What operation we are going to perform, which is label dot replace. We are going to replace space, we are going to replace blank space with underscore. So our all formula was one inline method would be declared, which is in bracket label dot replace space by underscore for label in df.columns. Then again we are going to show first 5 columns by df.head. Now we start with our analyzing features. What we are going to do over here is as we can see in our data frames, all the values are defined, which is for fixed value acidity, volatile acidity and all, which is 7.4, 7.8. The data are given. Now we are going to take median of that particular column, and then we are going to compare that the value which is below the median value, then it would be considered as a low, and if it would be above the median value, then it would be considered as a high value. Okay, so for that we have again make in this 7 cell, you can see that we are going to get all the columns by df columns. Then we are going to call this numeric to buckets method over here, and this numeric to bucket method will be called, and in which we have passed our data frame and the column name. As you can see, our database is here. We are going to pass this whole database and the particular first column, for example fixed acidity, right? Fixed acidity will be passed. Then what we have done is we are going to replace, we have take the median for all the values of this 7.4, 7.8 and all the values. Now we are going to use our median procedure over here, df of column dot median. Then we have used for loop, in which what we are going to do is we are going to replace the all the value of fixed acidity, which is 7.4, 7.8. We are going to replace with a word high, low, right? So we have compared, if the row value is greater than median, then consider would be high, and if the value is less than median, then it would be considered as low. So accordingly, we have completed our analysis for the wine quality. The output is here, and we can see that by using df head that the value is replaced with low and high. Here one thing is remaining, which is we have used group by feature over here. Group by feature will be used on the basis of the parameter over here. Like we have total 3 variables are here, high, low and name. So we are going to group by them by high, low. We are going to group by high and low. On the basis we are going to group by them quality, and the output will be high and low because we have 2 variables here. That's it. Thank you so much. Now we are going to use